Sneeze-o-rama. Hey, I'm Henry Hugglemonster, and this is my monster dog, Beckett. We're playing Beckett's favorite game, Hugglemonsters. It's my favorite game, too. Go long, boy! Like my new hat? Just kidding. It's a monster flower. There's so many. That's because it's springtime. Okay, Beckett, here it comes. Oh, nice catch, Beckett. That was totally... I was gonna say roarsome.
Hi, Henry. Hi, Beckett. Going to the post office. In a big hurry.
Oh, hi, Gertie. Hey, Sneezo. How's it going? I know your name is Sneezo, but you sure are sneezing a lot today.
Oh, poor Sneezo is allergic to all these monster flowers in the air. They make her so...
Sneezy?
Yep. It's a good thing they only come out in the spring. Come on, Sneezy Sneezo. We need to get to the post office before it closes. Aw, your sneezing's getting worse. You can't stay outside much longer, you little sneezer. But the post office closes in exactly 7 minutes and 34 seconds. If only there was someone with a house right nearby who could take care of Sneezo until I get back.
Allow me to introduce myself. Henry Hugglemonster's my name. I have a house right nearby, and I would love to take care of Sneezo.
Oh, thanks, Henry. Sneezo will feel much better inside. I'll be back somewhere between 11 and 21 minutes from now, depending on the line at the post office and the direction of the wind. Okay, Sneezo, be a good girl. I'll be back soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Gertie.